Rafia here from HoneyLemonGinger Holistic Health Coaching. You are going to love this recipe. Egg muffins, sweet and spicy. You can make it once and enjoy eating it for the week. Spongy, soft and delicious. And remember friends, if you love these videos, hit those subscribe and like buttons. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. I always add turmeric for my breakfast eggs because it has medicinal properties and helps with inflammation. And for quinoa, watch my video on how to make quinoa. Link is available in the description. Mung beans are added here for its rich nutrition profile. Watch my video on green mung beans. Link is available in the description. And for veggies, you can add as needed and pick your choice of veggies. Dulse is high nutrient seaweed, rich in potassium, calcium and iodine. So good for the bones and thyroid also. Just taste a little and make sure that you have the right amount of salt and also the spices. If you need any more, please add. Here are your delicious muffins ready to go, sometimes sweet and sometimes spicy. These will be good for a week to 10 days in the refrigerator or in the freezer for 2 weeks. I have used the same recipe with egg whites and it comes out really delicious.